So this is Hotel City in Maribor. Let's have a look at the room. The room that I'm staying at is a superior room. So you just tap your card there, the door opens, pop our card into this card holder so the lights come on. So this is quite a big room, 38 square meters. At the entrance you have a bidet along with the WC, or the toilet, and a separate closet, which is actually kind of nice and cute. You have also a small sink, although if you've got really big hands, you know, some of the water may spill out. The other thing you notice here is that City Hotel likes to be eco-friendly, something that I support. So hand washing soap is there here. You have a place at the entrance to hang your jackets or sweaters or whatever. At the entrance itself is a safe with a combination lock. All rooms at City Hotel are non-smoking. As we go by, then on the left side comes the bathroom, let's say with the bathtub. You have a nice bathtub here. You have a mirror. You can keep your toiletries there, and a nice sink. Now, one of the things I like here is that you have these plug points, so you can even watch something on your iPad or something while shaving or while brushing your teeth. So that's kind of a nice thing there. And then you also have a shower here. So as you can see, you have the option of taking a bath or a shower. On this side, you have a lot of closet space. So in case you don't travel light, you've got enough space. If I open one of these closets, you'll see, you know, they've got extra blankets, pillows. You can also put your suit there or jacket. You've got more space here, more blankets and pillows. You've got a pretty decently stocked up minibar here. So if I open the minibar, you can see you've got both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. What I like about City Hotel is they also give you free coffee with an espresso machine. So they've got a relatively new Nespresso machine. You can see here you have both coffee and tea choices. I don't drink coffee, so that's why that's untouched. And then of course you have some snacks outside the minibar as well. If I take a look at the pricing of the minibar, you can see quite reasonable. Coca-Cola is €2.50. So overall quite reasonable, I would say. Then if we continue our tour of the room, on my left now is a couch, which turns into a sofa come bed, into a bed. You also have a nice table here. You have some space to keep your luggage. I like the fact that this is really long because you have enough space to keep maybe even 2 suitcases. So if I move this suitcase here, you can see that there is enough space to keep another suitcase. Then you have a nice workspace, TV on top. Perhaps one of the things that they could have designed better is you have the air conditioning vent coming out from here. So if you're going to work here, you may feel the breeze of that air conditioning hit you. Then this is the view from the room. You can see that you can basically see the Drava River. However, as one of the things you may notice is these blinds are in the way. So the problem is I can't really get the blinds up or down. The only thing I can do is basically change the angle. So at best, I'm left with this sort of a view. And one of the reasons apparently it's been done like this is so that, of course, you don't jump out. The other good thing, though, is that it's not very noisy. However, architecturally, this somehow just does not seem to make sense because you would have otherwise a very nice view. And as you can see on the other side is Europark, which is one of the main shopping centers of Maribor. Now the bed itself, you get a double bed, double king-size bed, 2 pillows for each person. So you get 4 pillows in total if you're sleeping alone. You have 2 bedside tables. And of course, you have these bedside lamps. Now the problem with these lamps, as in most hotels, is they attract a lot of dust. So maybe you can't see it on the video, but they really attract a lot of dust. And if I look at the room from this angle, you can see study table again, place to keep your luggage, a TV, the hallway, a couch, and of course, the bed. And this is the city hotel room.